Tata Motors has launched the Safari Dark Edition with prices starting at 19,05,000 rupees going up to 22,51,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom. The new Tata Safari Dark Edition arrives in both manual and automatic options paired with the 2-litre diesel engine. Compared to the standard version, the Dark Edition adds the new Oberon black colour scheme, blacked out 18-inch alloy wheels, piano black finish on various elements, and the dark badging on the front fenders. On the inside, the Tata Safari Dark Edition gets the black stone dark theme and new Napa granite black colour upholstery with blue stitching. The model also gets additional features like ventilated seats for the first and second row, an air purifier, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new Safari Dark Edition is positioned below the Gold Edition in the model's lineup. Kia India has received a tremendous response for the car rents ahead of its launch. The company announced that it garnered 7,738 pre-bookings on the very first day after opening order books for the upcoming MPV. The company opened the pre-bookings for prospective customers on the 14th of January through Kia India's official website and dealers for a token amount of 25,000 rupees. Kia's fourth offering promises to be a fun and practical multi-seater. It's based on the same platform as the Seltos and will be offered in both 6 and 7-seater configurations. The model will come packed with LED headlamps with DRLs, 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, touchscreen infotainment system and digital instrument console. It will also get an air purifier, Kia Connect, electric sunroof and more. Power will come from 2 petrol and 1 diesel engine options. Transmission choices will also include 1 manual and 2 automatics. Maruti Suzuki India has kick-started 2022 with the launch of the new generation Celerio CNG. The new Celerio CNG arrives in a single variant priced at 6,58,000 rupees ex-showroom India. The new offering is the 6th CNG-equipped car from Maruti in the country and is available in the VXI variant. In fact, it's priced at a premium of 45,000 rupees over the corresponding petrol variant. The CNG variant of the Celerio gets the factory-fitted kit with a tank capacity of 60 litres. The kit is paired with a 1-litre dual-jet dual BVT K-series engine that develops 56 brake horsepower and 82.1 Nm of peak torque. That's about 8 brake horsepower and 7 Nm less than the petrol-powered version. The automaker claims that the new Celerio CNG returns a fuel efficiency figure of 35.60 km per kilogram. The Celerio CNG arrives right in time as Tata Motors is all set to launch the Tiago and Tigor CNG later this week. The model will also compete with the Hyundai Santro CNG, already on sale.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.